Hey guys, how to install plugins directly on Hostinger. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan, and if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to the official website, and basically if you want to install WordPress plugins from the official plugins directory, the easiest way to install WordPress plugin is by accessing the official plugins directory through your WordPress admin area and log into your WordPress. Click the plugin right here, you're gonna see it, and click add new. Alright, and proceed to search the name of the plugin in the search bar. You could also browse the featured, popular, or recommended plugins by clicking on the provided tabs on the left. Okay, you can search right here at the top right. Okay, if you search for Monster Insight plugin, you will see it come up as the first result. Click on install now right here, the button, and then basically you're gonna wait a couple minutes until the plugin is installed, and wait for the process to finish, and click activate button to start using the WordPress plugin. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.